This is our design concept about the PV all-in-one energy storage system. 1. Due to the explosion of the North Korean natural gas pipeline and the cost and the time required to repair the transnation's energy infrastructure after it was destroyed, there is a shortage of energy in European countries, such as the lack of the electricity. All-in-one energy storage system can be applied to the PV power station, wind power station, power plant substation, etc. 2. PV all-in-one energy storage system can be switched to this power supply without interrupting within 4 milliseconds under the power period of the mains to achieve the effect of the period power, so it can be very suitable to use this PV all-in-one energy storage system in Europe, where energy shortage will be often cut off due to the lack of the power. 3. The inverter in the PV all-in-one energy storage system can be choose the main power period mode and the PV period mode. When choosing the PV period mode, the battery can be charged through the PV panels during the day for use at night or as a backup energy. So if you are interested in our PV all-in-one energy storage system, please feel free to contact us. We are Multifit Solar.